I wanted to share my fun project that I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. This is an OpenWrt based access point on the Raspberry Pi 5. So what I'm using here is the Raspberry Pi 5 with a mini PCIe hat, and that hat is basically used to connect the MediaTek 7515, which is a 4x4 Wi-Fi 6 chipset. It's a proper AP chipset, it's not a client chipset. We can see here there's like 4 jumpers coming out to those antennas in this kind of Frankenstein's kind of setup. Here, if we go to the console, we can see the AP is running 24.10.4, and if I run IW info, we can see here there's an SSID. It's been broadcasting. It's MT7915. It is channel 180 megahertz bandwidth, HE 80. We can see here the mode, and I have the this phone, which is the OnePlus 12R, running an RPI5 server, and it's connected to that access point. Here I have my Linux laptop. I have 2 terminal windows here. One is showing the file rates for that phone, connected phone right now, and the other one is the RPI5 client to run on the AP for the downlink traffic to the client. So let's start the traffic and let's see how much can we get. We can see here we're getting like 880, 890, like over 900, 904. We just got 904, which is pretty good from a hardware that costs you like 70, 80 bucks, right? On the left side, the interesting part is we can see the TX and the RX bit rates. We can see the file rate for the TX, which is the downlink, as 1134. On the RX, we see listed 1200. The reason why, and I still don't know what is the root cause of it, is that on the downlink, for whatever reason, the AP is choosing to use the guard interval 1, which is equal to 1.6 microsecond, instead of the uplink from the client, which is using the 0.8 microsecond, which is the HE guard interval 0, as we can see here. I still don't know what's the cause of this. I changed the driver, played with the driver flags, I changed the firmware. The AP is still very consistent, very persistent in using the 1.6 microsecond interval, guard interval in the downlink for whatever reason. If I would repeat the test again, we can see here where we have a really great RF conditions, like RSSI levels are NIC 42, and all chains are very and at almost equilibrium, like NIC 48, 45, 47, 51. So they are really in all good conditions, and basically we have a phone that is literally within a foot away from the AP. But for whatever reason, the firmware on the chipset is choosing the 1.6 guard interval in microsecond instead of the 0.8. Not a big deal at this point, but you know, the functionality has been proven, and now I just need to figure out what is causing this issue. So